Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a very quick makeup tutorial this morning. So I hope you're having a great day. Lots of stuff going on. It's just one of those days. I'm wearing my new tie-dye shirt. I think I've worn it for you before, but I'm loving the shirt. I'm loving the pink vibes that I'm getting from it. So anyway, I've already gone in this morning with my morning skincare regimen. You guys know how important skincare is to me, and I want you to get on a skincare regimen because it's going to make your skin feel so much better. So let me share with you really quick what I've used. I cleansed with my Jelly Belif cleanser. It's in this little $20 pack. It's so cool. I have the full size in the shower. I forgot to get it out. And then I went in with my vitamin C serum to help brighten my skin and help with fine lines and wrinkles. You always want to go with the serum first because it's thinner. And then my Belif Aqua Bomb to add a little bit of moisture. I'm having some dryness. I really kind of spot treated some different places. I'm having some dryness, and also has a built-in primer. And then, of course, that depuffing eye serum, because we know it is the best thing for those bags under your eyes. And then I added my new products. Did you guys see the post? I'm loving the Vitamin C Illuminating Primer Lotion. So I used that for my primer today. And then my Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum to help brighten the dark area under my eyes. Even if you don't have dark bags, you could still have like just dullness. Maybe you just need a little bit of brightness. And so that's what that vitamin C helps with. It's so good for your skin. It feels good. It smells great. And it just makes everything feel better. Okay, so we are going to use our Magix tint this morning in shade Fair. And this is really a tinted moisturizer, so it's not a long-lasting foundation, but I don't have a whole lot going on outside the house today, so I thought, why not just use a little tinted moisturizer and just put some color on that face and just kind of make it a little bit more flawless. Cover up those pores, fine lines, all of that good stuff. The cool thing about a tinted moisturizer is you can use a beauty blender to put it on, or you could actually do it with your fingers or a foundation brush. If that is something that you're into, a brush like this would work. I am not a fan of a foundation brush. I'm going to be honest with you. I've tried it a couple of times and just not really gotten the look that I wanted with it. Are you a foundation brush user? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to hear. Maybe I'm not using the right techniques, possibly. So that could be it. Okay, so that was our tinted moisturizer, and we just moisturized or just added some color. And I've got a little bit left on my hand, so I'm just going to kind of pat it in. There we go. Okay, so that's great if you're just wanting like a light coverage. Maybe you're going to the beach or just running to the grocery store and you're like, Jennifer, I don't want to do all of that heavy or it's not really heavy, but full coverage foundation. Then a tinted moisturizer is definitely an option for you. We are going to conceal because these bags need to be concealed. I'm using my Cashmere Complexion in Mocha for that. So we're going to let that dry for just a second and take our ring finger and just gently pat it in, just like that. A little bit on the top of the eye, definitely getting that under eye. I should have done one eye, not the other. Good morning, Catherine. How are you? Good. So, how many of you have gained the quarantine 15? I heard this saying the other day. I've gained the quarantine 15. I'm feeling so bloated and just have gained some pounds that I didn't want to gain. I was doing so good on my exercise regimen before all the chaos happened in the world. And I was like, you know what? There is no reason why you should not start taking care of yourself better. So this morning, I walked. That simple. Got my dog on the leash and we walked. Just up and down our dirt road It's probably about, I don't know, half a mile. Oh, using Magix dust. Hold on, I already dumped it in here. I'll show you the container in just a minute. Just going to dust a little bit of powder on the face. This is going to help blend that concealer and that tinted moisturizer together to give you like a matte finish. It's just a setting powder. There we go. See? Magix dust. It's amazing. Okay, so anyway, I walked and I mean, my energy level already feels like 100 times better. Now, my nurse that helps me with the boys, she sent me this workout regimen where you have to do like a plank for 20 seconds and crunches and leg lifts. And I did that too. My back's hurting. So that didn't feel good. I'm not so fond of doing that. I don't know what I just did here. But I'll keep doing it because I want to feel better. So if that means that sometimes we have to do something that, okay, I'm not sure what I did here to my eyeliner. Okay, that means we have to do something that maybe we don't love to feel better, then it's worth it, right? So it didn't hurt me. No humans were hurt in the pursuit of feeling better. The next thing I have to do is try to make better food choices. Why is that so difficult? Jennifer, what is the difference in the Magix dust and the regular loose powder? It is the same as regular loose powder, except it's a little bit finer, and it is has just a hint of what's the word I'm looking for? It's finer, and it actually sets on your face better. It blends better with your makeup than a regular loose powder. Loose powder tends to be thick, and so it doesn't set as well on your face. And so that's why I love it. But I use it as just like you would a loose powder. I use it as a setting powder. You could use it for baking if you wanted to bake your face. Not really my jam, but if you wanted to do it, I'll have to do a baking for y'all one time. It's a mess. It is just a lot of work. It's extra. Okay, so that is our Tattoo Station eyeliner, eyebrow pencil. You guys, it launched. It is available now. I'm in love with this product. I could do this. I could put some lip gloss on and I could feel like I had a decent face look. To run to the grocery store. That's my tinted bar. These are cool too. So I mean, I could feel like, okay, I'm put together. I could go now. But I'm not going to. We're going to use our Aqua in shade Mocha Latte. Mocha Latte. We're going to pick up that one. We have 7 different shades in the Aqua. This is just my go-to. You can check out the blues. There's greens. I may have to get another one so I can show you guys some of the different colors. We're just using one on the base of our eye. There we go. And I'm gonna go in with 2. Changing brushes. I needed to point that out. This is my flat eyeshadow brush. This is a crease brush, okay? So we're gonna go into 1 or to 2 and just work that crease. Work it, work it. This is just gonna be a subtle look today because, like I said, not having any big events going on. I would say somewhat for our family, we're still on quarantine, not really taking the boys out a lot of places. Just not seeing that it's worth it yet. Okay, so we just worked that crease up and then I pulled down just a little triangle here. Did y'all catch that? So I worked over with my crease and down with that triangle. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to pick up 3 now on this quad. This Mocha Latte, you guys, is such a good neutral for everybody. And I'm just using that 3 now to blend on the bottom part of my eye. Just blending. Just gently rubbing it in. Okay. So you could take 4 and do a little bit extra down here. just to add a little edge, Something else you can do with this quad, I know it is my favorite too. The lip tint is the lip tint that it is the VDL, yes, VDL tint bar. Let me show y'all. I love this. It has 3 different colors mixed in, and it just puts a pretty color on your lips. I'm loving it. Can you see the? It's kind of hard with the light shining on it, but yep, it's the tint bar. I love it. Okay, so with my quad, I just went back and picked up a little bit of the one. I'm just gonna dust a little bit in here and a little bit out here. Okay, that's just gonna add a little bit of a different illusion on the eyes. Okay, so we're gonna use our On Point, always On Point eyeliner for our eyeliner today. Love this eyeliner. It's not liquid, but it is a great eyeliner. Stays with me all day and it smooths on so easily. There we go. Simple and smooth. That's what I'm looking for when I'm doing makeup. I think we have a special guest coming. I can hear his feet scouring towards us. Okay, so that is our Always On Point eyeliner. Done. We're going to curl our lashes. Now, I want to make it clear. With the Love Mascara, you do not have to curl your lashes. Typically, I was in town. Oh, no. We'll get together. Well, if I need to run it down to you, I will. With the Love Mascara, you do not have to curl your lashes. It's a preference I have. Some people are like, I'm not curling. Totally get it. Love Mascara is going to do the work for you. It's going to lengthen. It's going to curl. It's going to give you volume. And it's going to help those lashes just, it's going to love on them. What do you think? I can already see it. I can already see it forming. See? It does all the love for you. I love this mascara. I do not ever get excited about something as much as I do this mascara. Have you tried it? Do you love it? Let me hear your testimonies. What are your thoughts? Okay, so in the it's my favorite mascara. In the event of, well, in, what is the word I'm looking for? I can't talk. In the mood of feeling better and losing the quarantine 15, what are some things that you guys are doing to help yourself feel better? I think it's important for us to be accountable. You guys are my accountability partners. I did not want to get up and put tennis shoes on this morning. I did not want to go, but I did it anyway. And I need you guys to be my encouragement and do it with me. You don't have to do anything special with it. Just throw and go, right? I love a mascara that you can just throw and go. I'm going to use my illuminating stick in champagne instead of blush today. So I'm just going to, can you see? I'm just going to pat that in. There we go. This is just going to give me a little bit of illumination. You could do a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. Just patting it in. I need to paint my fingernails. Just have a little bit of a glow going on. It's not really a blush. It's illuminating stick. Especially these are good if you're going out for a date with the hubby, or if you're going to be on like a video, or good morning sister, I hope you're good. I forgot to send your eye tattoo with you. It's on my desk. I need you to private message me your mailing address and I'll send it to you. Okay, so that was a quick look, guys. This was all we used. was really a simple little morning. I'm gonna see if I can fit it all in my hand. Are y'all ready? So let me recap. We did our Tinted Moisturizer in shade Fair. We did our Cashmere Complexion Mocha Concealer. We did our Tattoo Station in Brown Black for those brows. We did our, where's that? Always On Point eyeliner, our Love Mascara, our Mocha Latte Aqua. Let me pull that out. Mocha Latte Aqua, Magix Dust, The Secret. The Illuminating Stick in Champagne. I gotta fix this on my lip. It's a little bright. And I'm gonna put one more coat of our Tint bar on. And I mean, I think that's our look for today. Not super intense, just something light on a day that I actually worked out. I didn't sweat heavily, but I worked out. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Fight the Quarantine 15. Join me in on this challenge and be accountability partners with me. I hope that you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.